Hello, hello, hello. If you're watching this, then you missed day one of our week 6 Foundations of Technology class. Let's talk about what you're missing. We did a quick warm-up, which you'll need to make up, and then we worked on our history project. So if you're not in contact with your group, you need to get in contact with your group. If you don't know what your group is, you need to get in contact with me as soon as possible. Please, 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 because we are right in the midst of it right now. So there are some groups that are still missing their members, and you're letting your whole group down if you're not participating. My objectives are, of course, that you can identify notable technologies from each era, and that you can examine innovation through the lenses of politics, economics, and social issues. Checkpoints 1 and 2 are going to be due actually Wednesday, 10:07 at midnight. We've pushed it back a day, so you get an extra day. And those can be found in collaboration on MyMCPS. We did a short warm-up. You can find the warm-up on modules. Scroll down to week 6. And here it is, the warm-up. I don't think I need to explain the warm-up in too much detail. It's very, very clear. It's just an exploration activity where you take a look at a timeline and get a feel for when something's happened in the recent development of technology, which is mostly informational based, right? So I ask you, when was the first computer invented? What was the first video game? When did Apple make lots of money? Things like that. And you should be able to find those fairly easily on this timeline or by using Google. Either method is fine. After that, I gave you guys time to go into collaborations, open up your document, and work through your research. Most groups decided on what kind of medium they will use to present their information. So if you weren't there, you need to get in contact with them to make sure you are in the loop as to what you guys are going to be doing. Other than that, I hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you need to, please, please, please catch up on the project. Have a good one.